Hello, Gary here with Vintage LEDs. I want to show you a new product that I've just released. This is a front park turn LED light for a 64 through 68 Mustang. This will fit this 1157 socket will fit where the 1157 bulb was. This one here will fit 64 through 66 or the 67, 68. Because of the lip on the housing, you'll come with this spacer that will be added to the back so that the board will sit flat. It uses the existing lens, so you can use your stock lens and still have the stock look. It plugs in just like the bulb would. There's a slot in the back of this connector for a screwdriver, makes it easy to put together. So just line that up, give it a twist. Then when you take the board, you want to twist the wire a little bit so that the board will be able to sit in there flat. And I found it's usually a little bit easier to take the lens and the gasket to line it all up as one assembly. And then just push it in. Then tighten the screws down. So there you still have the stock look. The only time you'll notice it has LEDs. So when you turn it on, now this is going to be a couple of times brighter than the existing bulb. So there's the park. And there would be the turn. Thanks for watching.